Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your PlayStation 5 once you have unboxed it and connected it to your TV. Right, so first of all you have to connect your controller to the PS5 with the USB-C cable and press the PlayStation button on the remote. And this is the part where you have to select your language. I'm selecting English United Kingdom. Okay, so you will get an option of turning on screen reader, yes or no. I'm turning it off. And this is where you've got to set up the internet connection. Now just the display area. And then click OK. You've got different power options for rest mode. I'm going to select optimize experience. Read the PlayStation 5 system software license agreement and continue, and update the system. You may be asked to restart your PS5 in order to start the update. Once restarted, you should now be able to press the PlayStation icon on your controller. It's showing another update, so just select update now. Just wait for it to do the updates. Obviously, please make sure you don't turn off your PlayStation 5. Now that the update is complete, it will ask you to sign in. You may have to scan the QR code to sign in, and I'm just signing in now. Adjust privacy settings by choosing a profile. It's up to you, it is optional, so you can choose anything. You've now got the ability to secure account, require PS5 login passcode. It's up to you what you want to do. I would recommend you do this. Just download the media apps. If you want to do it now, you can. If you want to leave it till later, just click on do it later. This is the part, if you've got another PlayStation, you can transfer data from another console. For example, I'm going to transfer all my data from my PlayStation 4 to the PlayStation 5. So you have got that option to do it now. Right, welcome to your PlayStation 5 now. You have now set up your PlayStation and now you can crack on and do whatever you like. And this is your main menu home screen of the PS5. As you can see, some of the icons are exactly the same as the PS4, but there's more options, more features on here. And if you've got a 4K TV, it's better to change your video output signal so it supports what you've got. If your TV is not a 4K TV, it doesn't matter whether it's 4K, 1080p, 720p. You just have to change your resolution and you'll be able to play. I've just launched the free game which comes with your PlayStation, Astro's Playroom, just to have a play around and see what this game is about and to play around. That's it, Astro's Playroom. Let's see now. The resolution's not that bad. This is on a 4K TV. There's all the old PlayStations, PS1, PS2, PS3 and PS4. And then, last but not least, the PlayStation 5. I hope you liked my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you.